So interesting, the things that are said. All right, so air conditioners. You know, it's summer now, so air conditioning is something that's probably a little more interesting to talk about right now. So let's see what they rated here. So they rated. let's go 10 to 1 again. So, and actually, I want to compare. And they're rating these on a five-star scale. So let's get to, sorry, fumbling through these papers. Should have been better prepared. Let's see. Okay, so let's go. We'll work our way back here. And I want to kind of see what they say about the furnaces as opposed to the air conditioners with the same brands. So air conditioners there. Okay, so they have